Thank you for joining Asgard on our next video that is going into a much deeper dive as to what our Gabriel Secure Communication Suite can offer to you. In this video, we're going to dive into the actual files and folders and the sharing, the secure sync of what this files and folders can do for you. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is looking into how you can send and receive things in text. You click on an open text folder and click on the little paperclip in the upper right. Click Share File, then you can click Choose a File. Select any file you need. Let's just grab a random picture here. And it'll send it. The first thing that it's going to do when you send it through chat is check to see if the file already exists. This is to make sure that there won't be multiple instances of the same file across your server. The second way to send a file or folder is to send it through an email on Gabriel. Now switch to your email tab and just click Compose in the upper left corner. Type out whoever it's going to be going to, your subject, just like any other email. For this, let's just do test and test. And then you'll go to the top above the names and click the attach button up here. Just like a regular email attachment, now you can just click the area, click whichever file you want to send and attach it. We'll just pick a random picture here and then just send it like you normally would. Click on the folder in the top right to open up the secure file sync. Click on the My Server, and then you will be seeing all of your files and folders that you can see and upload files to. Now, what you can do is you can create a new folder by clicking in the top middle for New Folder. Let's just call this for Dr. Smith, and we'll just hit Save. And this will automatically generate a new folder. Now, initially, only you can see and access that folder. To change this, you'll click the Actions button on the right and click the Sharing options that's in the bold print. Now, for read access, you just click the button. For add readers, currently it says nothing selected. Click Add Readers, and there are technically 3 different ways that you can do this. You can either change it by the full domain, by groups that you have created, or by individuals. All you have to do is just search through the list, and they are listed in that order, with full domains on top, then work groups you've created in the middle, and then individual users below that. For this demonstration, we'll just pick the evershield.scom and hit Done. Now you can see it is populated into the full file area, and now underneath the folder it says Readers, the asterisk evershield.scom. To change if people can write into it, it's the similar path. Hit the Actions button and then go to the Read or the Sharing options. Under Read Access, we'll just go through this from the beginning. Click Add, hit the Evershield, and then check your write access, and by default your readers don't have access, but you can just click Copy from Readers to change your write access. This will enable people to actually write into the direct folder. Otherwise, only you can add things to the folder, other people can only download the files. And you can add domains, workgroups, and users the same way. Subscribers is a neat little feature that allows you to monitor a file and folder. What this allows you to do is get notifications. To turn these on, you just go to the folder, go to the right again, click the Actions button, and just above Sharing Options, there's the Subscribe Monitor folder. Click on that. Now you have been subscribed to the folder, meaning anytime changes are made to the files within that folder, you'll get a push notification similar to when you get notifications for your email or your chat messages through Gabriel. The Friends and Group folder is a unique folder designed specifically for you, and what it does is acts as a repository for any and all files that are sent via text or email through Gabriel. Initially, your texting messages will delete over time, whether that's a week, 2 weeks, or a month or two, will change based off of your domain settings. So, navigate into this folder and you will have all of your friends' names listed as their full domain name. Double-clicking on one of these names will get you into a folder that has two subfolders for your chats and your emails. Double-clicking on one of these will open up all the files that has been sent between you and the other person in your chats or your emails. Finally, if you and a, let's say, referring doctor are going to be sharing information about practices, you can go into a folder that you've created and create a folder for patient 23. And you just create the folder and it automatically gets placed into this folder. And if you need another one for another patient, you can do patient 54 with a capital A because I'm typing too fast. And these are just like all the others where you can hit the actions button on the right and change who has read-write access permissions to each of these folders. So if you're sharing practice with somebody else and you only do 2 out of the 3 patients with them, you can check the settings to make sure that you only pay attention to 2 of the folders, but you can make a third one for another referring doctor to look into. And this about wraps up our video into the deep dive to what the file share foldering capabilities can do for you. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@asgardmsp.com. And thank you for watching.